Good morning, everyone. It is 7:34 a.m. here. And I am on my way to pick up Abby and our mom, and then we're gonna go pick up Amelia, and then we'll be on our way to Disney. So see you soon when Abby's back with us.
You see, is that in
Gatlinburg.
Gatlinburg?
Okay, yeah.
Cool. We gonna do it?
I think we should. Alright, Hannah just picked me and Mom up. She's inside because she forgot something. And then we're gonna go pick up Amelia. And then we're gonna be on our way to Disney World.
So yeah, we excited. We are walking into Epcot. You can't see the ball right now, but that's what we're doing. We tell me, oh, whoa. Whoa, we're going into Epcot. It's really not that bad to hold it like this. Yeah, we're walking into Epcot because Hannah had to get her magic band fixed. It's fine. We figured it out.
We didn't.
Marco from
Winter Garden, Florida.
And shout out to Marco from Winter Garden, Florida. Yeah, we're watching in. In test track. Test track.
Sorry, this is just a video all of Piper telling you where we are.
Yeah, sorry, we're in test track. We're actually not in it, we're just in the line.
Yes, we are in the queue.
Are you excited to ride test track, man? Wow, look how pretty. They got flowers on there. Oh, hello.
This is mine and Mom's car
Hi.
for test track. It's very short and tall and wide. It's hilarious.
We're still making ours because we look at it. Oops, there we go.
This is Amelia and Abby making their car. It's purple.
Beautiful. Thank you. Yeah, okay, still gotta go.
There it is.
Oh, no.
There's their car. Oh, I like this. Oh.
Oh. Would you like to see?
They had different options than we did.
I don't know which side's the front. Oh, this is the front. Is it? Yeah, look, the light.
That's the front, yeah. Whoa! It looks like a construction vehicle. Like what?
Hello.
We are zoomed in. There we go. We just rode Living with the Land.
And Soren.
Yeah, but we just rode Living with the Land, and neither of us had ever ridden it before, and neither had Millie or my mom. It was so fun.
It was so fun. It was a really fun ride.
We learned a lot.
We did.
And we saw a lot of plants and vegetables, which are also
some
plants.
fish.
Fish.
Fake. Go.
That's it. It was just a good ride.
Yeah, it was. Also, we ate at Sunshine Seasons in the Land Pavilion.
The iced coffee. Very good. It's
Cold
expensive,
brew, yeah,
$5.29 for an
it was
iced coffee,
so
but it was
good.
really good.
15 minutes. It is hot in Florida, not like we're surprised.
We're a musical about the heat in Florida. Hello.
Hello. We are done with my hair is real crazy. We are done with our first day in Disney. We rode a bunch of rides. We rode Test Track and Soren, Spaceship Earth, and Frozen Ever After, and Figment.
And the boat ride?
Oh, yes, the Mexican boat ride. And the Living with the Land.
Yeah.
Right,
Which we
we
told you
really-
we had never ridden before.
Yep.
It was fun.
It was super fun. And then we went to Disney Springs, which we did not vlog a single. Oh, we might have vlogged like a
I
minute.
don't remember.
But we got Earl of Sandwich. We got some sandwiches and some ice cream. We did not mean to get a lot of ice cream, but they gave us a lot of ice cream. And then we went to Walmart, and now we're back.
So we wanted to show you our Airbnb.
Yeah.
Since we didn't want to show you last night. Not we didn't get to. We didn't.
It
want
was
to.
late, and we wanted to go to bed.
Yeah.
It's not. It was dirty last night. By the time we thought about it. But yeah, it's a cute little little 1-bedroom Airbnb because it's just the 4 of us. Yeah, it's messy, so we're sorry for that. But
So here we go. Okay. Okay. Look, we've got some family here. So here's the door. And this is what the light switch cover looks like. It's so cute.
it's a pretty Disney themed room.
So when you walk in, to your right. Oh, do I have to video you now?
No, just when you go to show this room.
Okay, well, it's gonna be a minute. Okay, there's this light over here that Amelia said looks like a movie light, which we learned is also called a spotlight. It's cute. There's a little label on this picture. There's these pictures behind the couch. One of his gloves, of his pants, and of his shoes, which is cute. And then there's this couch that pulls out. It's like a trundle bed type thing, and then this is the table. The coffee table. And then it is a mess because we've already unpacked, so sorry. But there's a cute little yellow chair, very Mickey, and TV and stuff. And there's this is cute. And then there's a kitchen, and there's not much to it, and a fridge, and there's also not much to it. And then there's this hand, and this tower, a mini, and Amelia's watching a video in the background. And then here's the kitchen table. There's only 4 seats, and there's these cute little Mickey mugs at them. And a plant. It seems to be fake.
This one too, I think.
Yeah. And then over here we have the bedroom. Uh-oh. I already said the bedroom. Here's the bed. It's a king size bed, and me, Amelia, and Abby all slept in it last night.
And it was fun. We didn't touch.
Comfortable. There's a Mickey clock on the wall that is wrong.
It's white, which is cute and like super movable.
Super movable. Here's a mirror. Full length. Sorry, I burped. There's a TV.
Add-on in the bathroom.
And then here's the bathroom. Behind the door, there's this cute little, like, bench type thing. And it has a closet and a shoe organizer that has other stuff in it. So that's cute with some hangers that are provided. Here's the mirror and the sink. It's a mess already because someone did their makeup and didn't put any of it away.
It was me.
And then,
This thing is so cute.
yes. All the little things here are Mickey, which is cute. Like this towel
Like this. Oh my gosh! In
Mickey.
the plant, there's a hidden Mickey.
thing, and the plant. The plant is cute too. It looks like an aloe plant, but fake.
But it's like wet in there. There's water in there.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Is it? Does it need to be though, or is it just there for fun?
Heck, I don't know.
Because that's just like sand. And then yeah, there's a cute little thing with the thing, and then here's the shower curtain. It's just a Mickey Mouse making different faces. A cute little red thing. A Mickey Mouse trash can, and then Mickey covering his eyeballs so he can't see.
I love that little gray wall over there.
Yeah, it's very cute. Very affordable.
Very small, but it's getting the job done while
Yeah.
we're in Disney. So we're not in Disney, but
It took us 12 minutes to get to Epcot this morning, so pretty good.
hopefully- Yeah.
We're just gonna relax now. We went
Yeah.
to Disney
Maybe
Springs. We
watch
said that
Coco.
already. Yeah.
Mom, I've never seen
Everybody's
it.
gonna take a shower.
Oh, for sure. Is it on me?
Yes.
I guess I didn't.
And now it's clean. And we're gonna That was so loud.
Sorry.
Oh, I have low power, so I'm gonna plug in my Apple Watch. This looks hilarious. Okay, and yeah, that's it for tonight. We'll see you in the morning with Animal
Kingdom.
We got. By the way, we got a lot of compliments on our ears and our shirts today. Especially Abby's shirt got the most compliments.
Yeah.
Of shirts. It's her Snacking Around the World shirt, which you have already seen. And then all of our ears got lots of compliments. We'll see you in the morning. Bye.
Bye. It's early and I'm tired. And I did not sleep good. We're on Animal Kingdom, man. So what are you gonna...
Hello. I don't know if I've ever had my glasses on in a video.
Thank you.
Good morning. It's 7 o'clock. We are getting ready and we're going to Animal Kingdom.
We're in line for Rites of Passage.
For 3 hours.
For 3 hours, but we've never ridden it before, so we're freaking excited. It's hot. Yeah, I'd rather be. Oh, hey! I'd rather be.
She does not look like she wants a video on her. Millie was like,
Oh, really not bad.
no, this is.
Moving, and now we're inside, so it's cooler.
Yeah.
Oh, look, that's cool.
It's dark, so. Oh, it's not dark in here. We've been moving pretty steadily.
Which is nice because
There's a light switch thing.
funny.
There's a lot of people here in this area.
Yeah, it's because it's Saturday. I know,
Also, just this area is really like crazy. But we're in Animal Kingdom, and we rode Flight of Passage this morning, and then we rode Stephanie Bud,
Yeah, we did it separately.
and then we did Everest, and then we did Festival of the Lion.
Right.
And
We're hot.
it's very hot, but we had never ridden Flight of Passage, and it was so fun. So fun.
Absolutely amazing.
It was the best ride at all of the Disney World parks,
I agree.
by far.
I agree.
It said 180-minute wait, but we only waited like 90 minutes, and it was
amazing. I would have waited the whole 3 hours. My Italian.
huh?
My Italian.
Oh yeah. But yeah, that's just what we're doing. Our mom and Amelia are in the gorilla exploration trail, and we didn't want to do that, so.
So we not doing it.
What'd you say?
I didn't say that.
Oh. we had to say, I guess.
Yeah.
Billy just screamed, yeah.
Yeah.
We went and got Starbucks.
Yeah.
And we also saw a dad taking some serious Instagram pictures for his daughter. He was squatted down. He was serious about it.
Jumped up and then she did a little love for her, like a little handstand.
It was really sweet. But so that's just what we're doing. I'll show you a little bit of Pandora because it's beautiful. And we're sitting kind of in the middle. So we're just gonna pretty much, I think, probably just do about this until our safari fast pass starts. And then maybe come back to Pandora if the rides
are open again.
It feels so good right now.
If you like rain.
That little girl was just staring at me.
Nothing. She's a video.
So she's in the video. My freckles are very freckly.
Oh, mine?
No.
No, you literally can't see them at all.
But you have a pimple right in between your eyeballs.
I do. You're not wrong. There it is, guys. Okay. You see our ears? Hold on. Oh, yeah. They look cute.
They do look cute.
We haven't gotten as many compliments on our ears and shirts today.
Yeah, that's true.
But wait for tomorrow. And wait for Monday.
And wait for when we go home. People are really going to compliment us then. The face I was making was hilarious.
We're done.
Significantly larger. You sure I'm 36 inches long. Alright, like I said, we're entering the Safi River now, which is where we tend to see some more aquatic wildlife. Now, before I pick you guys up, the warden gave me the tip to look for shadows in the water, indicating there could be something out here. So keep your eyes open, everybody. You never know what you're going to see in these waters.
Oh, I saw a branch and I thought it was an alligator.
Got excited about a branch.
I love branches. Bubbles.
Alright, over on the left-hand side of the island there, you're going to see those gray and white birds called pink-backed pelicans. You may be thinking, Nick, you just said they're gray and white. Why are they called pink-backed pelicans? Well, they get that name for very distinctive pink coloration you get on their back during mating season. You can think of it almost like they're blushing. They are hunting it is a very significant loss for them. And here on the left-hand side are some Kopi rocks. Kopi rocks refers to this rock formation as a whole, and they are notorious for predators. As they say that you can actually see a male lion up on the very top of those Kopi rocks there. The lions will typically remain mostly inactive.